Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and having a wonderful day. Today I am sharing a beautiful, simple and elegant mehndi design that is perfect for beginners as well as anyone who loves clean and stylish henna art. If you are looking for an easy mehndi design that can create step by step, then this video is just for you. Mehndi is more than just a beautiful decoration. It is a symbol of happiness, celebration and traditions. Whether it is for Eid, weddings, family gathering or any special occasions, a lovely mehndi design always adds beauty and confidence to your look. In this tutorial, I have tried to keep every step easy to follow. Even if you are learning mehndi for the first time, don't worry. Take your time, practice regularly and remember that every artist starts as a beginner. And the more you practice, and the better your design will become, inshallah. Henna art is all about creativity. You can add your own touch by changing the flowers, leaves, lines or patterns. Every design tells a different story and every has become a beautiful canvas. Sorry. If you are enjoyed the tutorial so far, so please don't forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot and motivates me to create more beautiful and easy mehndi tutorials for you. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of mehndi design you would like to see next. Would you like Arabic mehndi, bridal mehndi, backhand mehndi design, front hand mehndi design, finger mehndi or foot mehndi? I would love to create tutorials based on your suggestions. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming videos. I regularly upload simple, beautiful and step-by-step mehndi tutorials for all skill levels. Thank you so very much for watching and spending your valuable time with me. I truly appreciate your love and support. Keep practicing, keep creating and most importantly, enjoy the art of mehndi. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay happy and may Allah Pak bless you always. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.